Hola.
Hola. Gathered y'all here today on this Sunday evening.
It's tomorrow's Monday.
Tomorrow's Monday. No idea why that's a good thing.
Sucks for you guys.
Yeah. See?
Work whenever we want to.
Yeah, and that's what we're here to show you right now is this great fucking come up that we got on Facebook. Let's move to near a casino. Okay, so this is our haul here.
This is what we did today.
Yeah, let me switch you around here. All right, there you go. Got you all switched around. Okay, so this is our haul for the day. They are airplane manuals and some other random books that came with it. All right, we got this the King Airbus B350 manual. I mean, it's pretty cool actually. It's got all the different things you have to do to run the jet and shit.
Don't we have two of those?
Yeah, we got two of these ones, baby.
It's the same one you looked at earlier, wasn't
No, it wasn't.
Oh,
no, I didn't get to that one yet. I put that one on the bottom, I think.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, so this is
I
the other
got
one.
two
Two of those. So right there's $240 right there for those two. Again, 30. This is 270. Another 120 here. So that's 390. And I think this one was like 30, so we're up to like 420.
Did we ever look that one up?
I don't think so, but it's
We'll guess.
We'll guess.
I say at least 20.
These we did look up both these.
Eggs are done.
Oh, we got our eggs. Our eggs are done.
Eggs
We got
are
an egg
done.
cooker. These two, each of them are 120. Did look these up. And then we have this entire stack over
So
here.
they've been stacked by binders.
Yeah, I sorted them by binder.
So we got the large
I thought that was a
binders.
great idea. Adam,
There goes
awesome.
one of the medium.
Okay, so those are the good ones, obviously. Then we have
Those
private
are crap.
pilot maneuvers. These are probably gonna figure for like $5 to $10 a piece.
Yeah.
This one I'm probably gonna keep for myself, and we got a couple of these. Because we did get a few more of these things, but they got some. It's got some really cool stuff. Like in case you ever need to jump out of a helicopter.
Nope. Not even gonna answer that one. Not even gonna say what I want to say. Too early.
It's too early for that one.
Too early.
Way too early for that one. Okay. See, look at. And then like totally, I need this because when we get into that situation and we need to cuddle to save our lives, I have this to show it to them. So I'm keeping that one. Business strategies. Maybe we should keep that one for ourselves.
Yeah.
Probably.
We could probably learn.
Yeah. Flight instructor's manual. Again, probably not very much, but something. Definitely going to make our 15 back. I don't know. Psychology, something.
Whatever.
Yeah, it doesn't matter at this point.
Yeah.
We've already made our money
We've
back.
still got the medium though.
Oh,
we got the large binders, the no binder,
the no binders,
medium
binders.
So a lot of these, this is a super ultra rare.
Yeah.
Luke loves to put that in our list.
Super ultra rares. It's my favorite thing to win the lesson.
Citation CJ3.
Yep.
Probably worth something.
Oh, totally worth something. I mean, again, probably $30, $40 for these each. I'm gonna guess maybe 20 to 30.
It depends.
But I mean, $20 in this is great. Paid $15 for this whole lot. Don't ever lose sight of what you originally paid for it. And what you're making.
And how much fun you have.
Yeah. Oh, of course, you gotta have fun. Number one thing about doing this shit is you
How
gotta
many
have
of
fun.
you guys actually like what you do? Probably nobody. Maybe 10%.
How many of you?
I
can
love
get
it.
drunk and do-
I'm having fun.
Yep.
This is Citation V.
Okay, we're good.
He makes a break for before we can sit up, but he stops again about 50 or 60.